Subway, I got a problem with you. For starters, your bread is the worst. Now hear what I said. I got beef with the bread. That's the bad kind of sandwich. Isn't it ironic that I need a bionic intestine to digest it? Subway, there's gotta be some way of get these bums paid without having buns sprayed. That doesn't look like wheat bread. He hands me the bag and I'm throwing it back. It spills in the trunk, she don't know how to wrap. I'm sick of just picking it, licking it, sticking it back in the bag that's too thin for it. Look, most Subway employees are nice people. Just good-hearted people making a living. Never be taken, always be given. But every once in a while, you'll get a sarcastic Kyle who doesn't even greet you with a wink and a smile. And that's when I'm in pain then. You call yourself Subway, you'd think you would train them. Your color scheme is yellow and green, so why is this chair red? Oops, I can't even talk about him. Jimmy John's spokesman is Brad Garrett, and everyone loves him. Subway, maybe I'll turn on you in the same way and get my submarines at JJ's, because you keep sinking me under a disappointment, tear-filled moat. Jimmy John's, you're the best of all time. You boat.